suck sober thoughts, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? Guess me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Mila Simone here. I am back with another video, girl. New hair, who this? Hello? Who am I speaking with? Yes, this is she. Dead ends, bye-bye. See you later. First off, I would like to say thank you so much to all of my subscribers. I love you guys. We finally reached 800 subscribers and I just cannot believe it. It's probably not a big deal to you that I reached 800 subscribers. It's a big deal to me because, you know, I'm kind of new to the game. So for us to be moving at the speed we're moving at, it's really great. First, let me go ahead and put my hair back. It's Halloween, so I think this headband will work. Okay, guys, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and my e.l.f. Concealer buffing brush, and I literally cannot live without this brush. I need to go buy another one because this one is getting quite raggedy. Tarte Shape Tape Concealer is in the shade Tan Sand, and where the hell is my mirror? Funny story behind this, my mom actually donated this to me because it makes her look ashy. So, yeah. I buffed out my concealer and now I'm going to set this with some MERCIER translucent powder. This is my second attempt at trying to film the same exact video. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today is Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm just taking a plain old brush. I will leave every single product that I use in this video listed down below in the description box if you are interested. I'm taking this shade right here, blend that into my crease. First I'm going to pack it on, and then I'm going to blend it in my crease for my first transition color. Now I'm going into the Urban Decay Electric Eyeshadow Palette and Electric Blue called Chaos. This is literally like the, oh Jesus, all that dust, the most pigmented blue I've ever seen. Blend it below this pink color right here. This shade is so pretty. Like, guys, look at that. Like, are you kidding me? So I'm just applying this onto my lids and I'm gonna blend it out using a MORPHE M332 brush. So that is it for the crease color. That was literally super duper easy. I'm not gonna cut my crease with concealer. I'm gonna cut my crease with the NYX glitter glue. And the glitter I'm gonna be using is the NYX glitter. And then this is in the shade Glitter number 6. And it's like a holographic glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease using this flat brush and my NYX glitter glue. And then I'm gonna apply the holographic glitter. Ooh. Of course, I'm going to my go-to Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I wanted to define that crease a little bit more. Going in with this purple shade right here from the Zulu palette. I'm going to kind of trace over the top of that cut crease just to make it look a little bit more sharp and clean.
I'm on the tray. Crisp and clean. Yeah.
For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my black matte eyeliner by NYX. I finished my other eye and I applied some lashes. These are the Kiss lashes in the style Poise. For the foundation, I'm going to be using the Cover FX Power Play foundation and I'm in the shade N110. I'm only going to apply a little bit because I feel like it works better when you only put on a little. It won't look so cakey. So I'm actually going to spray some MAC Fix Plus on it. Blend it out. Oh yes, this helps. And this makes me love the foundation literally because it's not going on patchy. I still look like a red tomato, maybe a chocolate bar, and maybe a jar of Nutella, but it matches for the most part. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealers, and one of them is in the shade Deep, which is my original shade, and then to highlight, I'm going to be using the one in Tan Sand.
I woke up this morning, I heard the TV saying something about disasters in the world. It makes me wonder where I'm going. Don't slip, don't slip.
Now I'm going to contour using my Rihanna Matchstick by Fenty Beauty in the shade Espresso.
Don't play around. I wanna lay you. I want you now. You changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did.
I'm now going to set in all the places that I apply concealer with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Have you guys heard of the new Laura Mercier powder they came out with? It's like, it has glitter in it, and it's supposed to give you like a dewy finish. I had it in my cart, but then I was like, do I want to give them all this money for something that I highly doubt if I use? Because I like the natural matte look. Well, I like the glowy look, but theirs was a different type of glowy. It's not like it had like a sheer finish. No, it had like glitter in it. Then I'm going to take my Morphe sponge, and I'm just going to take the sharp side and clean up my contour because I do not like a messy, muddy face. I'm also going to set my smile lines. And my chin too.
Bitch, I'm the shit I forgot to mention. Your pockets in a drawer, I couldn't even save them.
Got something to say. I know it's easy to love me. Thought it was better this way.
MAC Fix Plus is so good. Like, I don't even know what's in it. Literally, it's like crack. Let's get started on this lower lash line. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be going back in with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. This pink shade right here. And I'm just going to smudge that on my lower lash line.
From now on, we make love.
Going in with my Urban Decay palette. Take that electric blue shade called Chaos. And I'm going to pack that underneath as well. For my blush, I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Lena. And I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks. I thought I was in love with Trophy Wife. This one here, I don't know. This one here is something different. Like, what? Who? Where? Never seen anything like this before. For an inner corner highlight, I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals, and this one is in the shade Sea Siren. It's really, really beautiful. I'm just taking that on a dome shaped brush, and I'm just popping it in my inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and take that Rihanna Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter, and I'm literally just going to take a little bit on my brush and highlight right underneath my brow bone. This is a Buxom lip gloss, lip plumping gloss in the shade Mariah. And this collection of glosses are literally beautiful. Like, hello, look at this gloss. The completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss a, come on, you know I had to do it for the one time, another video, honey. And also turn on that post notification bell so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. Love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
hit me up.